Distinct beats.
What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? We are back with another
video.
Anyway, as you can see, we are doing, and I'm rocking Rico's work hat, even though it's not matching with anything I have on. But we are doing the challenges. This Pennies Coca-Cola challenge. I think that's what it's called.
It's not a challenge, that's the experiment.
Well, experiment. Pennies Coca-Cola experiment. Coca-Cola Pennies experiment. Pennies Coca-Cola experiment. Coca-Cola experiment. One of them. Alright. And I have a bunch of... You can get the rest. I have a bunch of dirty pennies, right? And first thing... Actually, wait a minute. If you are not subscribed to our channel, make sure you are subscribed down below.
So, top. Subscribe to the top.
No, it's not. It's down below. Why would it be at the top of the video? It's down below.
It's down below.
Okay, start over.
Nah, it's funny.
Okay. If you are not subscribed to our channel before I was rudely interrupted, make sure you hit the subscribe button at the bottom of the video and make sure you hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you can be sure to get all of our videos when we upload. So that way you won't be in my inbox or DM messaging me asking me when do we post. Because we posted. So just go ahead and turn them on. Also, be sure to give this video a video. Be sure to give this video a fat thumbs up. And let's get into the video. Okay. Alright, so like I said, we have a bunch of horrible looking, dirty looking pennies, right? There. But okay, so we're gonna be... Should we put the Coke in first or...
Yeah, you pour the Coke in first.
Okay. I'm gonna get Rico the pennies.
Please don't spill it. I'm doing another Coke video. Show you what happens. I just want to drop it off some type of hard point.
I don't know why he wants to do this. Like, but we're about to see.
It's just gonna blow up.
All right, so I'm gonna take this cup, pour some in there, and this is my first time doing this, so I don't know. I think that's good. This is my first time doing this, so I don't know how long it's gonna take for it to clean. So,
That's too many.
I want all of them to get clean. All right, so I'm dropping some in. Oh, that must have been, it was dirty.
You know, it's dropping in there like it's some ice.
Yes, it's crazy. Yo, these pennies must be dirty. I don't know if y'all can hear it fizzing. I got a dime too, y'all. Ooh! Why is it splashing like that? Yeah. This is crazy. I might have to put some in there. You wanna do that? And then I'll have to get an extra cup to pour them out. Okay. I'm gonna pour some in this cup so we don't over.
Yeah, this Coke is looking good.
Oh gosh. Oh, look at there. Look at the bottom of it. Ooh, I think this actually working, y'all. Look at that. You see that?
Perfect.
Why'd you drop them in there like that? And you can kind of see these on the side over here as they are cooking.
Oh.
Did that hurt? There's some napkins right there if you want to wipe them off.
Oh.
Okay. Alright guys, so it's literally been
Almost 10 o'clock.
wow, so it's been a little bit over 2 hours. Our intentions was really for this to sit only for an hour. You guys seen how dirty these things were. Of course you can't had it all the way up there. Of course you can't really see it like that, but They look pretty clean, so we're just gonna try to pour.
I might need 2 cups.
Yeah, I'll get you.
Not bad or bad.
Alright. I'll put a dime in here too. Ooh. So, some of these actually look pretty okay. Once I'm gonna try to wipe them off real quick and see.
Coke is dirty.
That one ain't really get that clean. That one probably gotta sit overnight. A lot of these really did get really clean though. Cause I'm trying to tell y'all they was when they filthy. I'm gonna let Rico wipe these off and I'm gonna bring the camera closer. Rico is cleaning away, cleaning away. Some of these really did actually get cleaner.
Some of them still dirty.
Yeah, some of them still dirty. Like,
dirty.
That one's still a bit. Well, you gotta wipe that off. And I'm gonna try it. Actually, want to sit them back.
That's clean.
You want to sit them back in. Oh, that one got really clean. Look at that shine. How's the back look? Oh yeah, that looks really good. Probably gonna sit some of them back in a different cup of Coca-Cola. Probably overnight to see how it does. I mean, that's a dime, y'all. So some of these actually did get pretty clean. Like, okay, let's put the ones that got clean to the side. That's pretty okay. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna record again in the morning and see what they look like sitting overnight. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
That's it.
Alright guys, so is this the one that you just filled back up?
Yeah.
So Rico just put some more Coke in there. And we're just gonna put some of them back in there to get clean. Or some fresh Coke in there. Like, a lot of these were really on the verge of actually getting clean. I probably just needed to soak more. So I'm gonna let them soak a little bit more. Look, the dime looked like it even got clean. This is actually a pretty cool experiment. But it just lets you know how much acid it's got in it. Which makes it really good. So shouts out to Coca-Cola. If you want to sponsor this video. Look how clean you get pennies and things. So these are basically the clean ones. Alright guys, so that was fun to do tonight, but we're gonna let these sit overnight to see what they do.
Yeah.
To see how cleaner they get. Yeah, what is your take on the experiment so far?
It was cool. Just to let you know, Coke is there's a lot of, I don't know, ingredients. It's a strong drink. I take Coke over any other company.
After all, I mean, he works for Coke, so.
Yeah. I'm not just saying that, but I like Coca-Cola
Like,
products.
he really do like Coca-Cola products. Like, that's all I like to hear about all the time. Coca, 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 Coca. But yeah, so we do have pennies in here. And we're going to let them sit on this table overnight. And we shall be back in the morning.
Alright guys, we're back and it has been 24 hours.
24 hours, y'all. I don't know what they look like in here. Some of them still look kind of dirty. But
We were supposed to do this in the morning, but I had to go to work.
yeah, he didn't know that he had to go to work. So they were supposed to originally have a conference call, right?
Yeah.
But they didn't go as planned, so.
Yeah, because of the hurricane.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, and by the way, we did not record for the hurricane, but I was so scared last night, y'all. Like, it came in strong here in Greenville. So, yep, let's go.
Penny juice.
Penny juice. Alright, so I'm just gonna put my pennies up here. This is as good as it's gonna get, baby. Man, you still look dirty.
This is probably good. Older pennies.
Yeah. Oh. We also literally just woke up from a deep nap, so.
Okay, yeah. This is like an older penny, but. Yeah,
most of these really did get
clean,
though. I'm liking the results. Wow, Coca-Cola, look at y'all cleaning stuff.
No, I don't even think they know. Somebody
accidentally discovered this experiment. You guys also, while we're cleaning these off, let us know down in the description box below what other experiments you would like for us to try.
Ouch. So, as you can see, some of them have cleaned up a little bit, and some of them have cleaned up a lot.
I think these ones over here were the older ones, but you can still see where they got cleaned really good because they were darker than that. Like this one right here, it's probably no turning back for that one. Well, the front got cleaned really good.
Yeah.
The front got clean. This one's no going back. But for the most part, they what do you think? They look better compared to last night, right?
Yeah.
A lot better.
A lot better.
Yeah. Alright guys, well that was it for that experiment. That was the longest experiment that took forever that we tried, right? This is our first experiment, right?
It was 24 hours.
24 hours. We tried it for, what was it, an hour, 2 hours yesterday?
Oh yeah.
And then to see how those came out, but those didn't quite come as clean as we would like. So we decided to have them sit overnight, and they literally did not leave this table. They sat here all night. So we kind of camped out with them in the living room. So yeah. Like I said, if you want to see more of these experiment videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button at the bottom of this video, and make sure you hit the notification bell at the bottom of this video to be sure you get all of our videos when we upload. Be the first to share, like, comment, tell your mama, tell your friends, tell your cousins, your aunts, your uncles, your boyfriend, your husband, your wife, all of the above, your pastor, your first lady, all of the above, okay? Your nanny. Anything else? Oh yeah, and comment down below what experiment you want us to... No. Comment down below what experiment you guys want us to do next, or what video ideas you guys have for us. We thank you guys repeatedly for supporting our content, liking our content, subscribing to our channel, and just sharing it with your friends and family. We do appreciate you guys. We've grown tremendously from last year, man. You remember that?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
We were small.
We were very small. We still are small, but I'm enjoying the progress, the process. We're on the road to 500 subscribers by December. That's our goal.
Yeah.
We've been pushing, like, it's a whole other video about pushing for YouTube even when you don't want to. But yeah, oh, that's another good video idea.
We also have, I said we also have, well, you know, Sunday I'm going to Greensboro And I'm going to record that because my brother is going to the All-American Showcase.
He's leaving me all day.
Play basketball.
He's leaving me. Are you going to miss me?
Yeah, I'll miss you. And I'm going to have fun. We're going to have fun.
I don't miss him, y'all. He's literally going to be gone till like 5, 6 o'clock that afternoon. Like, wait a minute. It ends at 4, but you have to drive back. That's like a, what, 3-hour drive?
Mm-hmm.
I won't see him until, oh no, that's crazy. That's, oh heck no. I'll be at my grandma's house.
Yeah, it's going to be, because it starts at 11. You're going to get down there pretty early.
That's crazy.
But yeah, stay tuned for that video. And this is it for this video. And it's
an all of a sudden love. Peace. Bye.